Hello children, how are you? Today we will continue with the chapter Subtraction. In previous videos we have learned subtraction without regrouping, subtraction with regrouping, and verifying the answer after subtraction. In this video we will learn word problems in subtraction. Now what are word problems? Children, you already know word problems are situations related to daily life. Means how subtraction is used in daily life, we will learn that. But before that, we will learn how to recognize that we have to subtract in this sum. इस sum में हमने subtract ही करना है, minus ही करना है. ये कैसे पहचाने, ये सीखेंगे. If any of the following words are used in the word problem, आपको जो word problem दी गई है उसमें अगर इनमें से कोई word use हो रहा है, कौन कौन से word? Difference, left, remaining, take away, decreased by, how much more or less. If these type of words are used in any word problem, then you can understand that in this sum you have to do subtraction. Now let's learn it with the help of examples. Our first example is, there are 780 books in a library. Out of these, 152 books have been allotted to the students who are preparing for an examination. How many books remain in the library? So children, before solving any word problem, what you have to do is you have to understand it. आपको इसे समझना बहुत जरूरी है. First you have to identify that what information has been given to you in that question. आपको उस question में क्या information दी गई है, सबसे पहले वो समझना जरूरी है. So what information in this problem has been given? We are told that there is a library which has 780 books. एक library है जिसमें 780 books हैं. Out of these, 152 books have been allotted to the students who are preparing for an examination. Library से books issue की जाती हैं बच्चों को या लोगों को. तो from this library, 152 books have been issued to the students. 152 books स्टूडेंट्स को अलॉट की गई हैं, इशू की गई हैं, जो स्टूडेंट्स एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. जैसे आपको स्कूल में इशू होती थी लाइब्रेरी से बुक्स, सेम वे यहाँ पे लाइब्रेरी में से इशू की गई हैं बुक्स. हाउ मेनी बुक्स रिमेन इन द लाइब्रेरी? 780 बुक्स थी टोटल, 152 अलॉट की गई हैं स्टूडेंट्स को, और कितनी लाइब्रेरी में बची हैं? रिमेन मीन्स बची हैं, रिमेन एंड रिमेनिंग मीन्स सेम. सो you can identify that we have to subtract in this word problem. So our next step will be, we will write this information in very simple language. That means we will write the statement. So our first statement will be, number of books in the library, that is equal to 780. Our next statement will be number of books allotted to the students, that is equal to 152. Third statement will be number of books remain in the library, that is equal to 780 minus 152. Now our next step will be, we will arrange these numbers in the columns of hundreds, tens and ones. So first of all we will write 780, and under 780 we will write 152, and then we will subtract these numbers. So after subtracting 780 and 152, what the answer we have got is 628. So finally, we will write our answer in a simple language. So 628 books remain in the library. So isn't it easy, children, to solve a word problem? Let's take another example. Siddhi's maths exercise book has 152 pages. She has used 137 of these pages. How many pages in the exercise book are unused? Now, first of all, we will understand what information has been given. Siddhi has a notebook, a maths exercise book, which has 152 pages. सिद्धि के पास एक मैथ्स एक्सरसाइज बुक है जिसमें 152 पेजेस हैं. टोटल 152 पेजेस हैं. She has used 137 of these pages. इनमें से 137 पेजेस वो यूज कर चुकी है. हाउ मेनी पेजेस इन द एक्सरसाइज बुक आर अनयूज्ड? कितने पेजेस हैं जो अनयूज्ड हैं, जो अभी तक यूज नहीं हुए हैं? दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मेनी पेजेस आर लेफ्ट. सो चिल्ड्रन, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको डायरेक्टली वो वर्ड गिवन होंगे जिनसे आपको पता चलेगा कि सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है या एडिशन करना है. तो आपको जस्ट उस इंफॉर्मेशन को ध्यान से पढ़ना है और समझना है. नाउ वी हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस वर्ड प्रॉब्लम एंड वी हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट हियर अनयूज्ड पेजेस मीन्स the number of pages which are left, which are still left unused. So we will write this information in very simple language. Means we will write our statements. First statement will be number of pages in the exercise book, that is equal to 152. Number of pages used, that is equal to 137. Number of pages unused, जो पेजेस अभी यूज नहीं हुए हैं. एंड हाउ विल वी फाइंड आउट? वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 137 फ्रॉम 152. 152 में से 137 हम माइनस करेंगे. सो लेट्स अरेंज दीज नंबर्स इन द कॉलम्स ऑफ हंड्रेड्स, टेंस एंड वंस. After arranging them and subtracting, we have got the answer 15,015, that is equal to 15. So let's write our answer in simple language, and our answer is, so 15 pages are unused. So children, as you can see, if you understand the word problem properly, then it is not very difficult to solve any word problem. So what you have to do next is you have to complete exercise 3H in the book and 3I in your notebook. You have to complete exercise 3I in which word problems are given. In your notebook, you have to write statements and then you will solve the word problem. Okay? Thank you so much.